Jinghikai web developer Basaus Pak Kenta Balapulong Hajanta Institute of Technology JIT Jowai da Kajingkrishan ke Meghalaya State Skill Development Society bat ke Labour Department balai kerteng skills Meghalaya kalakut hakashitarik nailor. Ha kajing lang lingkot balapulong hakyang nang ba Government College Jowai ladon lang uba lambor mi Suchen Skill Development Officer West Janta Hills uba Bankit Por Marwin Managing Director ke JIT Jowai ba FB Basan MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner West Janta Hills District ulalong Ukongsan. Ukongsan hakajingkren ulay ro bat ay semi kisamla balayo jinghikai bat ukermen ru bakan yarap iki hakikam kijam hadin habon. Ula kenturu bikin long kibriu kibayai persyang hakajing em khnang banyo ekjing job. Ula kenturu iki banlong ki badon kajingket kli elade ya ke ying kesem bat ban kershan lem ya ki kemi ki pa habaro kiliang.
Traveling and then you do not want to endanger your life. I do not want to give you a position in the government or in a company where you don't know what you're doing. We want people who are equipped, we want people who are knowledgeable, we want people who have the skills to use when we require them. So, I would like to congratulate all of you for having successfully completed this course that you have done, and I hope that and wish you the very best that you will make use of these skills, you will apply for the various positions that are there, and like I said in the beginning, do not quit in 1 week. Sometimes it's difficult. Nobody says life is easy. Do not quit the second week. Do not quit in the third week. Keep trying. Keep achieving. Then only you will see that you will make a difference in your life. Please do not make one mistake which many students have made. And you have to promise yourself. Your parents have given you education, right? They have given you food in the morning, correct? Food in daytime, food at night. Okay. Is it your parents' job to find a job for you? Whose responsibility? Your responsibility. If your parents think Nali comes and no, Naliwat it is my purpose in life at least to find a job. Why? Because I'm telling you this, sir, correct. Also, Leo. Slawhano. Leo. Not kampiyon. Kakun, she didn't ask. Mother is asking. So imagine. Whether the daughter, the son likes it or not, don't know. But 80 correct. No. Wrong. You would want to be somebody that you would want to do that job. Not because your father said, not because your mother said. So please, it is your effort, it is your right to work, and it is also your right to make sure that you do not depend on anybody. You stand on your own feet to get whatever position you want to get. Okay, so with these viewers.